Welcome to the Softening series, filmed live in nature, where all sounds are possible and probable. Today can be whatever you need it to be. A release, a welcoming, or just a moment to ground and center. When you are ready, I invite you to initiate your breath, breathing into the stomach, filling both of the lungs with air, and then exhaling. Continue to breathe into the stomach, filling both of the lungs with air, and then as you exhale, imagine yourself softening into the place where you now rest, whether it is a sofa, bed, or chair, allowing it to hold the fullness of your weight, knowing that you are fully supported. As you exhale, you may wish to release tension and stress. Tension may come from thoughts in the mind, on mind loops. It may come from emotions. Or you may focus today on the tension already present in the body from these thoughts and emotions that have gathered and stayed over time. With every exhale, I invite you to release whatever feels right for you to release at this time and in this place. Continue to inhale into the stomach, filling both of the lungs with air, and then exhale and release. For as long as it feels good. And right in your body at this time. begin to make your way back into this time and this space by grounding fully, imagining roots coming down They can come from the feet, from the heels, from the legs, from the root on your torso, going deep into the earth, centering and grounding you. If you have any energy that you would like to release, I invite you to release that into the earth, knowing that it will be composted and used to nurture and sustain something else. And if you feel an energy depletion, I invite you to ask the earth if you might draw some of its energy up through your roots and into the body. And then do so. This energy exchange creates a cycle that you can draw on from any point forward. The release of your own energy that is not preferred, and the drawing in of energy to center, ground, protect, and stabilize. Begin to bring the awareness to your breath, noticing how it expands and contracts. With each inhale and exhale, welcoming the breath back to its normal pace and rhythm. Draw your attention to the hands, to the feet, and gently begin to wiggle fingers and toes, making hand circles or foot circles. And by making any movements that feel good and right for you at this particular moment in time. Thank you for joining me on the riverside. We are filming in Ellijay on the Coosawattee River. We are grateful to be here and send our admiration and respect and gratitude to the river, to the land, and to all the creatures upon it. I look forward to being with you next time. Sending you so much love.